So one thing I really like having in my collection, and I kept an eye out for a long time. I've been collecting for 22 years now, and kind of early on, I started looking, you know, at the antique mall or wherever, to for oddball brand cars and trucks, some airplanes. I do like them. Now this one actually, I've had this for probably 15 years or so. I used to go to this one antique mall every other month probably because they, in addition to having a lot of cool people that were selling, or cool booths where they were selling, Hot Wheels and whatever, there was always this one booth where they had cars 3 for $1. So that's where this came from. It's a whole 33 and a third cents plus tax. I got this really cool old milk truck. This is Gordy Dairies. Fresh milk on the back. And Gordy Dairies. Now this is from a company called Mini Mite. I don't know if you can see that. And it was made in Hong Kong. I believe it's from the late 70s. This is not a die-cast. This actually is a plastic vehicle. But it's pretty sturdy. It's really interesting to me. I like this one quite a bit. Whenever I see it, it just makes me happy. So I think that's what collecting your cars and everything's all about. Just to give you something to entertain your mind, your spirit, keep you out of trouble. Getting too old to get in trouble, man. And something to channel your energy into. So anyways, hopefully somebody might like that. It's definitely the only one of these I've ever seen. Tell you what, it really makes me want to have a cold glass of milk.